Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to cook this easy budget friendly meal for the family. So I'm using some breaded chicken bites from Sainsburys and some Sainsburys potatoes, but you know, when it comes to like how many packets you should use, basically decide on the size of your family. So I'm going to start off by putting the breaded chicken bites into the oven. And now I'm going to cut my potatoes, but I'm going to cut my potatoes into small little like dices. After I finish cutting them, I'm going to now put them into the fryer. And then everything's finished and cooked, and it's just time to serve the family. And the salad dressing is basically iceberg and some cucumber and some mayonnaise. It's nothing really special, just simple and easy. And I thought, yeah, it was just a last minute thing I've decided to add. And also with my plate, I decided I wanted egg as well. And that's the meal, you guys. And yeah, the kids really enjoyed it, and I hope it was really helpful. It's really simple meals and budget friendly stuff from the Sainsburys. These breaded chicken bites are really nice. You should seriously try them. So take care of yourselves. If you're not subscribed, subscribe for many more cook with me videos. And yeah, I'll take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.